Hello, all of my subscribers. It's Melissa from the Turtle Nail Salon. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you if you enjoyed this video to give it a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel, and to ring the bell. That way you'll always be notified when I post a new video. Today I am doing some nature nails featuring Pueen Nature Lovers Plate 02. And I am using C&D Shellac Cream Puff as well as Candied for my base colors. For the stamping polish, Clear Jelly Stamper and 01 from the Neon Collection. And to seal everything in, the Be Me Beauty Box Ultra Matte Top Coat. I'm just starting off with this gorgeous butterfly. And I am stamping right into the inhibition layer. I find that works the best for me. I'm still not the quickest, so this always guarantees a stick. And then this one is some gorgeous flowers. And then I've got this garland of, I don't even know what kind of flower that is, but I love the way it turned out. And then on this one, I'm going to add some leaves. And on this last nail, I am doing some vine. And then I will just seal up this design with my previously mentioned Be Me Beauty Box Ultra Matte Top Coat. And that is the final look. Amazing! Well, thanks for joining me today. Have yourself a great day. Bye!